In this application at our future wall, we focus on the benefits of a CANEO Series 40 display. This is not just a button, but an HMI device. So it has a touch function, but on top, it has a lot of feedback to the user of the machine. So for example, if we need a calibration of our system, the button gets the information from the PLC that a calibration should be carried out. Once this is done, the PLC contacts the button and makes the function back available to the user. Now we're back in business. Even without a PLC in the background, the button can serve as a display reading the analog output from a pure sensor. In this application, it shows the distance to an object.